Hi friends. Today I am showing you how to set up multiplayer Minecraft server on your Windows PC. This server setup is only compatible with Minecraft Java Edition. You need to install Java before setting up the server. Open browser, enter website oracle.com/java. Click Download Java top right of the web page. Then click on JDK Download. Scroll down and select Windows version of JDK installer download link. Tick the Oracle Technology License Agreement pop-up window, then click the download link. Open downloaded folder. Double-click JDK installer. If you receive user account control warning message, click Yes. In the introduction screen that opens, click Next. Leave default install location, Next. Now installing Java. After the installation, close the window. After that, right-click this PC. Select Properties. Select Advanced System Settings in the left pane. Select Environment Variables in Advanced tab. Click on New, under the System Variables. Enter variable name Java_home. Variable value, browse Java installed directory, then click OK. After that, select variable name, path, click Edit. Go to File Browser, open C drive, open Program File, Java, open JDK folder, open bin folder. Click on Address bar, copy address. Return to System Variables. Click New and paste it. Click OK. Close all windows. Restart PC. Now you need to download Minecraft server. Open web browser. Enter web name showing on screen, or you can find link in this video description. Click this Minecraft server jar file download link. Go to downloaded folder. Right-click server.jar file. Select copy. Go to C drive. Create new folder server, or any name as you like. Open folder and paste here. Double-click server.jar file. It will extract two files, one is eula.txt, other one is server.properties. Open eula.txt file. Go to last line eula equals false, change to eula equals true. Save it. Right-click server.properties file, select Open with, then select Notepad. Go to line online mode equals true. Change online mode equals false. Save it. Go to search, type CMD. Right-click command prompt, select Run as administrator. Enter command, cd space c:\server, follow the commands shown on the screen. Next command java space, -xmx1024m space, -xms1024m space, -jar space, server.jar. Minecraft server started now. Now I show you how to set up Minecraft launcher. All Minecraft launchers and server must be on the same network. You need to install Java runtime environment before setting up Minecraft launcher. Open web browser, enter website java.com/download. Click all Java downloads in left pane of the web page. Select Windows Offline Installer download link. Go to downloaded folder, open installer file. When the welcome screen appears, click Install. After the installation, right-click this PC. Select Properties. Select Advanced System Settings in the left pane. Select Environment Variables in Advanced tab. Click on New, under the System Variables. Enter variable name _Java_options. Enter value -xmx1024m. Then click OK. Close all windows. Restart PC. After the system restarts, open browser. Enter website mc-launcher.com. Select Launchers, next page select Minecraft Launcher. Go down. Click direct download link under the Get It Now. Then select Request Download Links. The link will be available after 10 seconds. Then select Download.exe. Go to Downloaded folder. Open Minecraft Launcher file. You need to create at least one account. Select Create and Manage Account in first drop-down menu. Click on this green plus button. Select second option, Free without password. Enter new username, then click Add Account button. Click the Home button to return to the main menu. Then click the Enter the Game. Select second option, Multiplayer. Click on Proceed button. Select Add Server button here. In this figure, you need the IP address of the Minecraft server. Open command prompt on the server computer for the IP address. Enter command ipconfig. Note the IP version for address of the server, in my case showing here 192.168.72.128. Go to Minecraft Client System. Type IP address into the server address column. Enter the name of the server in the first column. Then click on Done. Select the Minecraft server, then click on Join Server. Now playing the game. Thanks for watching my videos. Subscribe me if you like this channel and please share if you like the video.